Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vietnam Stock Market Opportunities. It's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the email Vietnamstockmarket.entry@gmail.com. Telegram, Vietnamstockmarket.entry, with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. Or you can also scan the 2 QR code on the screen so that we can support you. And the other way to contact with us is please follow and subscribe the channel name Areca Capital Channel. The owner of this YouTube channel is Areca Nguyen. She's a personal financial advisor. You can contact her with the email home.nguyen@ecsc.com.vn, with the phone number is +8491-432-6556. We always welcome you to our office on the 11th floor, 109 Trần Đạo Street, Hoàng Kiếm District, Hà Nội, Vietnam. And the purpose of this video is to update you about HVN. Vietnam Airlines JSC Group includes the parent full-service carrier Vietnam Airlines, 5 affiliates and 15 subsidiaries in different segments within the aviation industry, including a controlling stake in low-cost carrier Pacific Airlines. Today is the 23rd November 2022, with the current price of Vietnam Airlines JSC is 9,230 Vietnam dong, target price 14,100 Vietnam dong. As you can see, this is the report which was collected by Viet Capital Securities on the 1st November 2022 about HVN, with the current price is 10,900 Vietnam dong, target price 14,100 Vietnam dong. Another quarterly loss, equity remains negative. HVN announced 9 months 2022 revenue of 51.1 trillion Vietnam dong, $2.1 billion, 2.7 times year-over-year, and a net loss of 7.8 trillion Vietnam dong, $318 million, 34.1% lower than the loss in 9 months 2021. HVN's 9 months 2022 revenue and net loss are equivalent to 77% and 90% of our respective 2022 forward forecasts. In Q3 2022, HVN's revenue jumped 4.5 times year-over-year to 21.2 trillion Vietnam dong, $864 million, with a net loss of 2.6 trillion Vietnam dong, $107 million, compares to a 3.4 trillion Vietnam dong, $138 million net loss in Q3 2021. HVN's loss in 9 months 2022 exceeded our expectation due to the slower than expectation recovery of international aviation in Vietnam, as well as pressure from high fuel cost. As a result, we see potential downside risk to our forecast, pending a more extensive review. Strong recovery of transportation revenue was driven by domestic aviation, with the number of domestic flights and passengers in 9 months 2022 surpassing the pre-pandemic levels. The transportation revenue of standover Vietnam Airlines surged 3 times year-over-year. High fuel cost lingered, dampening profitability, as a breakdown of company's total cost is not available in HVN's consolidated report. We look at Vietnam Airlines 9 months 2022 standover financial report, which shows that fuel costs accounting for 18% and 39% of total costs in 9 months 2021 and 9 months 2022 respectively, skyrocketed 3.8 times year-over-year faster than the 3 times year-over-year growth of the transportation segment's revenue in 9 months 2022. The impact of higher fuel costs was worsened by efficient cost-cutting measures, especially in outsourcing costs, which increased 27.5% year-over-year in 9 months 2022. Outsourcing costs accounted for 69% and 50% of total costs in 9 months 2021 and 9 months 2022 respectively. Shareholders' equity remained in negative territory, with the net loss in Q3 2022. The airline's shareholders' equity decreased to 77.5 trillion Vietnam dong, $307 million, raising the rates of a Ho Chi Minh Stock Exchange delisting if there is not a new capital injection or new decree making an exception for the airline. And we move to the HVN's consolidated Q3 2022 and 9 months 2022 results. Gross revenue, V&A, transportation revenue, total auxiliary subsidiaries, net revenue, gross profits, SG&A, operating profits, financial income, financial expense, net other income, PBT, net profit after tax amount. You can take a look on the screen about the table. And that's all what I want to share with you today. That brings me to the end of my presentation about HVN. And if you want to open a legal trading account, please contact us with the information on the screen so that we can assist you. Thank you for your attention and see you next time. Have a nice day.